It's 6:51 a.m. Saturday. I'm back at the same spot, but this time I'm trying something new. You guys told me I should wait for the fish to take the rod down more before I set the hook, so I'm gonna try that today. So today, if I see any kind of nibbling, I'm not going to set the hook yet. I'm gonna wait until the rod, I don't know, bend more, or if it's really biting, I guess, then I'll set the hook. But I kind of still want to fish on the ultralight rod. So I bought, what did I buy? What the stuff? Where did I put it? I bought 2 rooster tail at the base shop, but I don't know where I put it. Oh, I found it. 1, yeah, 2 rooster tail, like 1/4 ounce and 1/8 of an ounce. I'm going to try the brown one first. Oh crap, just step on my rod, my fishing stuff. Okay, so something is biting, but I'm going to wait. Right, so is that 2? That's not enough, right? I need to weigh more, right? Okay, let's see. So we can see the rod is, if you watch it, it's gonna, see? Is that enough or not? Yes, no, maybe? Something biting. Maybe I'm making the same mistake. I touched the rod too early. I'm putting it back. Trust the system. I'm gonna take you guys' advice for real. I'm just not gonna touch it until maybe my rod's 4 tail. I want to catch something with a rooster tail. Let's wet it first, so I got some weight on it. Okay, buddy, whoever you are. That was not a good cast, but that's okay, because I'm noob. Oh, then I got sand in my fishing reel. Hoo 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 hoo. Let's try over here. There was a fish over here. It was running away from something. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It's kind of hard to cast from a block from both sides. It's completely hard to set the hook if something even biting, because kind of hard to cast. There's fish out here. So much activity. Oh, I got grass on my hook. Come on. Somebody eat it. I think someone did tap on it. Someone did. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Come on. Oh no, I'm not decent. The rod is. Something just hit the rod. Probably a small fish, right? I'm gonna get you. Can't really cast from this angle. It's kind of hard to do it. Oh man, that was really bad. That was a really bad cast. I wish I can just whip it. Fuck. Oh man, so bad. This is so bad. The worst fisherman ever. Oh, I got something on. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass. I'm pretty sure it's a bass. Yes! Oh yeah! It's been so long since I caught something on this. Woohoo! Hooked you right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, that's so fun. Oh man, I'm gonna tear up your mouth. I'm so sorry. Let's get my plier. Oh, there we go. Ooh, thanks buddy. That was so fun. Go buy again. Oh, that was a bad release. Oh no, he got away. Good. Whew. Yes! First bass on the rooster tail. Yeah, this is a really bad cast, but oh no, I'm snapped. No! It's my rooster tail. It's like $5. Oh man. Oh, this kind of sucks. This is what happens when you say last cast and you don't go through with your work. Oh, okay. I guess that bass cost $5. Okay, buddy. Okay. That's okay. Good game. Good game. Yep. And no one touching that rod. Kinda sad. It's okay, last time no one bite until like 9. So I'm not too worried about it. Oh, ha! I got another bass. Oh man, he bite right at the edge. Cute. Hey fishy, thanks for playing, man. You make my day. You make my day, buddy. Look, he's so cute. Alright, buddy. Go tell your friends. Rooster Mountain. I mean, nah, Rooster Tail.
Those amazing mountains lit by the golden sun.
Oh no, the
And
sea
again, this one,
lions
which is
is.
one of my all-time favourite images, was actually
No! Oh man, don't get a hook on, please. Oh my god. Uh oh. I think he's okay. I think he's okay. He didn't get snapped in my line. Ooh. Okay, I'm back again. I came out this morning to the same spot yesterday, no, last week. Did not catch any striper, but I caught a small bass, and it was pretty fun. So this is the same day. I'm back in the afternoon. Gonna go see if I can catch any fish on my ultralight rod, and I'm packing light. Just gonna do a bunch of lures. I got my jig head, little Cleo, and a tiny teeny Yozuri jerkbait. Let's see what we can do. Oh shit. High center. And that's the end of that.